Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So I'm making butterscotch today. So in this medium-sized heavy bottom saucepan, I have 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of heavy cream, and a stick of butter. So I just turned the heat on and it's on medium. And we're going to let it cook until everything is melted and it starts to boil. Alright, so I'll bring you back there. Alright, it's starting to boil now. Doesn't take long, but you want it to boil all over. And you should use a wooden spoon or a silicone spoon. I'm using a silicone spatula to stir. And you always want to keep mixing so it doesn't stick or burn in one spot. Okay, so now you can really tell it's boiling, so we want it to boil for about 2 minutes. And if it's climbing your walls, just turn it down a little bit. It'll maintain the temperature without over boiling. Okay, we got 1 more minute. Alright, and that is 2 minutes, so I'm going to put a lid on it and let it sit while I prepare the rest of my dessert. Alright, so now that I'm done with my butterscotch, I went ahead and put it in a peanut butter jar. So you can see it even says it, Smucker's peanut butter. So that's how I store it. And store it in the refrigerator. You can keep it up to, I wouldn't keep it more than 7 days, just to be on the safe side. Alright,